Hello bakers, welcome back to the Cakers channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. The filling, stacking and crumb coating process, these are the foundations of cake decorating. And if you don't get these right, you're going to be in trouble. If you'd like to see in details how I do these, please stay to the end of this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more important cake decorating and baking tips and tricks. When I'm filling my cakes, it's very important to me that none of the cake crumb get in my filling. It just looks neater to me, and whenever I slice into my cakes, I like to see those distinct layers of cakes, then buttercream and cake, then buttercream. It just looks very good. So I start in the middle of the cake and I carefully add more buttercream and use my spatula to push the buttercream out to the end and not take from the end back into the middle of the cake, because you don't want the cake crumb to get mixed up in all that buttercream. And you just carefully fill and stack. So as you can see, my cake layers are fairly even. When you want professional looking cakes, it's very important to have evenly sliced cake layers. And I have a little video onto how I cut my cake layers, so you can check that one out. If you're stacking your cakes more than 4 layers I'd suggest in height, it's very important to use the double barrel stacking method. I also have a video describing what the double barrel method is and how you fill and stack a cake using the double barrel method. So once your cake is all stacked up, just apply a crumb coat to the cake. A crumb coat is a very thin layer of buttercream that is used to trap any crumb in the cake. After crumb coating, you put your cake in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes just to let the buttercream firm up a bit, so when you get on to applying your final coat of buttercream, you will not have any crumb in that layer. My crumb coat is set, and now I'm applying a final layer of buttercream. So this will be my blank canvas. So this is the layer that I will be adding all the final decorations to make my cake look stunning. So as you can see, I'm applying the buttercream from the bottom up. Some decorators apply from the top up. I do that sometimes as well, but it just depends on the cake. When I'm doing smaller cakes like 6-inch cakes, I sometimes go from top down, but this is an 8-inch round cake and this works better for me. So I apply my buttercream, a generous amount, and I'm smoothing the top as best as possible. Then I will use my cake smoother to go around the sides until I have a perfectly smooth buttercream to decorate. Just observe how I am going a bit above the height of the cake with the buttercream. This is what I do to help me to get sharp edges on my buttercream cakes. I will now use my spatula to bring the lip of frosting in the middle of the cake to get very sharp edges. If you did like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Check out the links down below in the description box. Until next time, keep on baking.